London always going to have a special place in my heart, as it was the first city that I arrived in England many years ago in '89. That is the city that I got married and I had my children there, lived there for 11 years, and now I am living only 2.5 hours from it. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I do DIYs in London theme, London in Blooms theme, for my tea tray, and at the end of the video, I will show you where I place them. I hope you enjoy the video. First thing I did, obviously change colors. As you know, if you're already a family member, red is not allowed in my house. I used pearly spray paint over the acrylic to give that beautiful shimmery sheen, and the paint is from eBay, but you can buy it from other sources as well. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all well and enjoying your Friday so far. And if you're new visiting my channel for the first time, my name is Shule and I really love decorating, organizing, cleaning and DIYs. And if you like the content in today's video, please do subscribe, as I have so many inspirational videos coming to your way this summer. This is my inspiration book. I first seen it in Shell's Glam Home. My dear friend Shell was doing some DIYs and she inspired me so much, and I decided to do what she did in a smaller scale, and I am so happy with the end results. These florals are paper and some of them are from Amazon and some of them are from The Works and some from the range store as well. The ones in Amazon, I can link it if you want. It will be in my description box. I was in London last Sunday and these are London in Bloom pictures, and it was just gorgeous in the West End. For the silver details, I will be using this beautiful, really shiny silver nail varnish, and it really works, and I use 2 coats for it. This video is part of a challenge hosted by lovely Heidi Sonboul in Heidi Sonboul DIY, and she does this one every month, and I'm so happy to be participating in this one. And this one is summer theme, summer the DIY challenge. Thank you so much, Heidi, for hosting this challenge. As always, it was joy to participate. The link will be in my description box below for the playlist, and you are going to see a lot of inspirational DIY videos ready for summer. I really struggled putting the stickers back on because some of them ripped. This part was painful. This cast iron pencil sharpener set is from Amazon, and I am going to leave a link below in case you are interested. Then I came up with a solution. I cut one of them, the damaged part, and I used the other side's one, so the other side doesn't have any, because I used both of them on the front side. It doesn't matter really because I will be using it in my tea tray, so only one side will show. Let's assemble it back on before I decorate it with loads of flowers. I bought this one from Amazon as well, and I will be using it is greenery because it's really beautiful, small leaves, garlands, I believe, or ribbon. And at the moment, at this stage, I don't know what I'm doing. I have no idea, but in time I figured it out and it turned out so beautiful. These little flowers that are from Amazon came in bundles, so it was very handy. I didn't need to join all of them. Instead, I split some of them and introduced a different color, white, and it was very, very handy, very easy to work with. In the end, one wasn't enough, so I used 2 of the pink bundles and I mingled the white ones in between. And I used a dab of hot glue to stick them on. So beautiful. I know you are watching from all over the world, so let me know if you ever been in London. If you have, what was the occasion and what was the highlights of London trip for you? Also let me know if you are actually watching this from London. So in love with this, so romantic. This one turned out so beautiful as well. For the windows, I decided to use white pearly spray to give a white sheen, but it was a mistake because it actually melted the color underneath. So you're gonna see now it turns gray blackish color. I didn't realize, so I had to come up with another solution. There you go, it's just melting. Oh well, lesson learned. Now I am moving on to another solution. I will be using acrylic glitter instead. I bought this acrylic varnish glitter from the range store. I always wanted to have a truck, pink, my style, my colors. When I found this planter in Amazon, I was so thrilled. I don't remember how much it was, but it was around £10 range. I will leave a link below if you're interested. It was in red, you've seen it, and I turned it into a beautiful shimmery mauve color, and you're going to see it in every single season. I cannot wait to show you what I will do in fall with mini pumpkins and in Christmas with mini baubles. I cut a small piece of floral foam, snugly sitting in. Now I'm going to have fun with loads of flowers. If you're enjoying the video and you like this sort of content, please do me a favor, like this video, share it with your loved ones, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell, because I have so many DIY as well as decor ideas for the summer months. Almost done. Now I'm going to show you how I decorated my tea tray. So don't go away, you really don't want to miss that part. Isn't this just beautiful? My tea tray is from HomeSense, and I am going to begin filling up the back with coordinating colors. Instead of a sign, I will be using stack of books that I DIY'd a few videos ago using plywood. If you missed that video, I will leave it linked below. I will place this gorgeous truck at the bottom as it is large, and I am going to pair it with what else but teacups from Poundland, because British people love their tea. This mini wreath was another DIY, and I added more flowers to coordinate with the rest. This bloom was another DIY, and it is from Poundland, and I'm going to place it at the back as well to create a beautiful backdrop. Of course, London needs its taxis, black cabs, so I was so happy when I saw this in Poundland last week. Well, something is missing. Can you guess what it is? Can you guess what is missing in London theme tea tray? Yes, crown. This is from HomeSense, and it was sold as candle holder. Comment below if you watched Crown series on Netflix. Now I'm going to add more flowers to finish the look, because in this theme, more is more. I am so happy, beyond happy with this tea tray. It's going to cheer me up every single day when I'm in the kitchen washing the dishes. which is not something that I love. Leave me a comment if you hate doing kitchen work, because you can keep kitchen tidy, in my opinion, just for a few minutes, and then before you know it, somebody leaves a mug, somebody leaves a plate, somebody leaves a God knows what. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and found it inspirational for your own tier trays. I'm done, but you're not done yet. You're going to my description box below and visiting the playlist as well as Heidi's channel. Until the next video, my friends, stay safe. Bye bye.